Welcome back to Mumford Restoration, and again we're showing you items that have come into the shop for work to be done. Please visit our site mumfordrestoration.com or our YouTube channel at Mumford Restoration. This is a European armchair. You can see quite the heavy carving and beautiful statues on the top, and it's going to be reupholstered. This is the fabric that the customer has chosen, which is a very strong brocade, to try to keep the regal view of the chair. The seat will be, of course, rebuilt, rewebbed, retie the springs, reupholstered, and then the wood just needs to be waxed and polished and a bit of touch-up. We don't want to change this item too much because it's a really good quality antique. Thank you for watching, and look for the next video. This is an after picture where we have just done the reupholstery of the seat. We rebuilt the foundation, and so the webbing, the springs are tied, and then new foam and reupholstered. It's a beautiful carved chair. So we wanted to show you this one as something that just came through as the before and the after. Please take a look for the before photos.